Hi, welcome to my shop. I'm Paolo Brada. Please remember to like, share and comment this video and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, today we see how to replace engine oil and filter in a car. First, buy the new oil and filter according to the manufacturer's specifications. Warm up the engine, remove level dipstick and oil cap engine. Using a suitable wrench, remove the cap of the oil pan. Collect all the oil in a container. With the appropriate key, also we dismantle the filter. We lower the car to flow most of the oil and wait at least 1 hour. Remount the cap of the oil pan. Lubricate the seal on the new filter with oil. Remount the new filter. We lower the car again and pour almost all the oil. Check the level and add more oil if necessary.
Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.